Thank you. Good morning. My name is Steve Scheinbaum. I am the founder of BizFi, formerly known as Merchant Cash and Capital. Here with me today is my colleague Walt Levengood, who serves as our Chief Strategy Officer. I'm here today to demo for you an online marketplace that we recently launched. And on this online marketplace, business owners can come and receive real-time automated offers from a variety of lenders up and down the credit spectrum. Products offered on the platform will range from SBA loans to equipment finance loans to traditional factor deals to term loans and lines of credit from non-bank and regular bank lenders. Before we turn to the technology, one point of information: BizFi itself is a lender on the platform. We've been financing merchants since 2005. We have provided approximately $1.3 billion of financing to 25,000 business owners, and we generally originate now $45 million per month. With that, let's turn and take a look at the technology. We're going to start with, as you would imagine, obtaining some basic personal and business information. We need the owner's name, his email address, and business phone number so that we can communicate with him as he goes through the process. We then start to obtain some business information. And here we're leveraging some third-party data sources, primarily Cortera in this instance, that allow the business owner in most instances, once he enters his business name and his zip code, to find his business and select it, thereby reducing the number of keystrokes that he has to have and make that UI UX as seamless and frictionless as possible. We then start a multi-phase process where we're going to get information from the merchant, which is going to whittle down or funnel down the lenders that are available for each particular business. So we need to know, are the customers of this particular business consumers or businesses? Do they have invoices to factor? If so, the amount of those. This is obviously relating to factors. We then need a little more personal information, such as the date of birth, so we can run some background checks and prevent some fraud. And we also need some personal address information for the same purpose. For these purposes, in this demo, we're going to assume that the person lives right above the business. We then offer, unlike other folks, the ability to either let us pull their credit systematically or self-report and be verified later. Since this is a demo, we're going to self-select. We'll give the guy a credit of $650, and now we'll move on to continue to get that information that our lenders need. We need to know if the person owns the majority of the business. If he doesn't, we would get that information. And now we need some more financial information from the business. So the gross revenues, the average daily bank balance, the requested advance amount, and how he plans to use the money. Each time we get information, we're further and further narrowing the field of lenders. Does the business accept credit cards? How much financing does the business have? If so, from whom? And we just continue to get more, information. Now, this next page is the result of what's been provided previously, and this is information that's needed by our premium lenders. And the premium lenders are those that are providing the lowest cost, longest term financing to our merchants. So they need the Social Security number, the tax ID, the requested term of the loan. They want to know if the business is profitable. If so, how much? Is there collateral for the loan? If yes, the type of collateral. And is there any recurring monthly debt payments so we can understand a debt-to-income ratio? Now we get to the guts of the technology. What's happening now is that our system is going out and we are pinging through APIs that we and our other partners have built, the additional funding partners, and we are presenting the offers to the merchant after an extremely short application process. In this case, you'll see that the merchant has up to 8 funding options. Now the business owner can leverage the 70 salespeople that we have, we refer to them as funding concierges, who can help them navigate through the pros and cons of each product offering. I could take more time and talk you through the rest of the process, which would include a My Account section. In that My Account section, a business owner can come in, he can upload documents and information into a document depository, and we would push that information and documentation to the third-party lenders via APIs. He can also come in and check the balance post-funding of every deal, of every financing that he has with the lenders, because we're collecting on a daily basis the collection and payment information from each of our integrated partners. But what I would like to do is just talk for another moment or so about the technology. What you've seen today is a merchant coming in and being able to apply for financing in just a matter of moments. but we've built our technology in such a way that third parties or channel partners can leverage the APIs that we've built to build or create private label or co-branded solutions for them, thereby provide their customers with the financing that they need and still maintain their stickiness and relationship with them and their brand. A perfect example of this, and what I'm so pleased to announce today, is a joint venture and a pilot program that we released in Japan, and we launched in Japan approximately 4 months ago. We've partnered with a company called Credit Saison. Credit Saison is a wonderfully tech-savvy company that is Japan's largest credit card issuer, having upwards of 35 million customers. What we've done with them is to take our technology, we've modified it to some degree to fit what's going on in that part of the world, and we've created a monoline or one-product financing platform so that we can go out with them and market financing to their 35 million customers. I want to thank you for your patience and time in listening today. I hope you've learned a little bit about what we do, and please come up and speak with Walt and I in the networking room if you have any further questions or comments. Thank you.